Riana Hernawati, NPM 02111396. Harmy and my friends will deliver material board the Indonesian economy in 2021. Have a good team watching. The Central Statistic Agency or BPS reported that Indonesia economic growth in the first quarter of 2021 was still experiencing contraction of minus 0.74%. With this figure, Indonesia economic growth has not been able to return to the positive zone after having contraction for times in a row since the second quarter of 2020. At the time, the Indonesia economic was minus 5.32%. Previously, the government's prediction contraction in the first quarter of 2021 in the range of 0.6%, 0.9%. The achievement of economic growth in the red zone in the first quarter of 2021, so that is still in line with the government's projection. When favored on quarterly basis, the economic growth in the first quarter contraction by 0.96%. Indonesia economic based on GDP in the first quarter of 2021 at the current rate of EDR 3,969 trillion. Meanwhile, based on a constant base rate with the base year 2010, previously it was reported head of BPS Suharto Monoarfa projected that the new economic will recover and grow positively in the second quarter of 2021. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Khairunisa. I am from Class 4L Management. NPM 0211119395. Okay. The Indonesian economy in the first quarter of 2021 compared to the previous quarter experienced a growth contraction of 0.96% key to key. In terms of production, the deep growth contraction occurred in the education service business fall of 13.04%. From the expenditure side, the government consumption expenditure component PKP experienced the deep growth contraction of 43.35%. The special structure of Indonesia's economy in the first quarter of 2021 was dominated by the province group in Java Island at 58.70%, with economic performance experiencing a growth contraction of 0.83% year-on-year. The group of provinces in Maluku and Papua Island record the highest growth of 8.97% year-on-year with a roll of 2.44%. The Central Statistic Agency (BPS) released Indonesia's economic growth in the first quarter of 2021 based on gross domestic product (GDP) at current price rising 3.969.1 trillion rupiah. At its content, 2010 price rising 2.683.1 trillion rupiah. The Indonesian economy in the first quarter of 2020.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miss Brahma, NPM 0211119407. In here, I will continue the material from Khairunisa about Indonesian economic 2021. Some economists predict that Indonesian economic 2021 will experience a crisis. There are several factors that influence it, such as accumulated deficit in the state budget or APBN, fragile fiscal resilience, and low public purchasing power. However, Minister of Finance Sri Mulyani remains optimistic as the massification program begins and efforts to prevent the spread of COVID-19 from spreading. According to the former coordinating minister for the economy in the era of President Abdul Rahman Wahid administration, the decline in Indonesian economic 2021 is due to several factors such as the number of people who have lost their jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has destroyed purchasing power. Then, the increasing amount of government debt and also the reason Indonesian economic will decline in 2021. To further supporting the growth in technology, he urged all officers under the ministry to continue to support the same innovation mindset in the coming year. He also emphasized the need to scale up the implementation of modern agricultural methods across in areas. He added that technology in agriculture has significantly improved exciting producer. Thank you.
My name is Majilan Hariza and PM0Y9389. Here I will continue the material that has been explained by my friends. The same statement Secretary General of Minister of Agriculture Momon Usmano stated that Minister had objective this year by increasing production, implementing low cost and expanding agriculture projects. This goal include the increasing profit, the access to quality food and engine and value. The employment, the Secretary General also noted the ramping up the investment in real estate sector and improving industrial. He also noted of the target of the ministry years sector has been therefore the increasing digital motivation into the extended near future. In the early report by Open Gov Asia, the agriculture minister noted that several smart projects has been put up in the interim to avoid food crisis and mitigate deficits of food imports. Among this program is technology that aims to change food state development process in farming ground the centers in the country. Such food state feature form part the government national strategy program still the until 2024 that different cover development irrigate as well non-irrigate. Our several supporting is infrastructure like control of new road,